Today, I am joined by Mr. Alap Patel, Executive Director, Mr. Harsh Patel, Promoter Director, Mr. K.V. Unnikrishnan, CFO, and Mr. Nilesh Ganjwala, Senior Advisor to the company. I hope that all of you and your loved ones are safe. These are extraordinary times, and the most important thing for all of us is to ensure good health and well-being for ourselves and our near and dear ones. We have uploaded the investor slide deck and the results highlights on the stock exchange and company website. I do hope that everybody has had an opportunity to go through the same. The second wave of COVID-19 has adversely affected the economy and our company too. In these tough times, our priority was clearly to take care of our people who were working relentlessly in these challenging times. The company organized vaccination camps at the factories for the employees and their families. Everyone above the age of 45 has been vaccinated. More than 300 people in the range of 18 to 44 years have also been vaccinated at camps in our factories. We have also extended the health insurance program for all our employees. We encouraged people in the risk groups to work from home or offered them paid leaves. We facilitated hospital beds, critical medicines, and oxygen for any employee needing them, whether for themselves or their loved ones. During the peak of the second COVID-19 wave, the company facilitated the procurement of nearly 25 oxygen plants by hospitals in Surat and Navsari vicinity. Our know-how and relationship with manufacturers of the plant were used to help hospitals choose the right specification, negotiate the right price, get timely delivery, and have swift commissioning of the oxygen plants. In the background of these challenges, the company has recorded a 14% growth in revenues, a 25% growth in EBITDA, and a 36% growth in PAT for the full year ended March 2021. The company has a robust order book of over 6 months for both the divisions, filtration and drying equipment and the glass line equipment. The delivery schedule continues to remain stretched, which shows the robust nature of the order flow and the sustainable demand. All the user industries, API, specialty chemicals, agrochemicals, dyes and pigments are performing well, and their outlook remains promising in the coming years. Currently, the order book is well distributed across all the user industries. Coming to the filtration and drying business, HLE is the preferred supplier and the technology leader, having over 60% share in the Indian filtration and drying market. The HLE plant manufactures approximately 500 filters every year, the highest in the world. Today, the HLE brand is synonymous with filtration and drying in the Indian chemical and API industries, and is considered to be the industry reference for excellence in engineering. We constantly innovate and introduce new products and enhancements which are targeted at unmet customer needs. Currently, we are the second largest player in the Indian glass line equipment market. HLE Glasscoat is highly reputed for its quality, customer focus, and reliability. In this segment, the approach of the company is to increase the market share consistently through better product positioning and continuous product quality enhancements. We have the unique advantage of having the capability of supplying a bundle of products for all chemical process industries, which sets us apart from others. We have a diversified and well-balanced product portfolio. Agitated note filter dryer contributes 37% to our engineering equipment revenue, and agitated niche filters contribute about 8%. Glass-lined reactor contribute 30%, while the contribution of glass-lined tanks is 16%. The remaining 9% comprises of other engineering products. Coming to our distribution and sales network, HLE Glasscoat has a strong sales network across India and also globally. We have channel partners and sales offices in Europe, USA, Russia, Argentina, Israel, and Thailand. We have done plant installations in over 15 countries. Our approach remains to expand our reach in the market. We are also enhancing the after-sales business, which has excellent potential in the coming years. Our estimate is that there are over 6,500 of our filter dryers and over 60,000 of our glass-lined equipment presently operational in the various user industries. The focus on post-sales support for spares, components, and other services have the potential to add to the overall business. Being the industry leader, we are taking active steps to introduce newer technologies to smaller and medium-sized players in the chemical and pharma space. This will help us to increase our market share in this segment too. This market is growing rapidly. Seeing the increased demand for our products, the company is expanding quickly to meet the demands. During the last quarter, the company successfully commissioned the assembly shed at Anand, thereby enhancing the assembly capacity by around 50%. This will also add roughly 20% more floor space to the Anand workshop. The company has increased the capex plans for this year to rupees 75 crores. The company is putting up a greenfield plant at Silvassa